Welcome to the Hyundai i10 and i10 N-Line walk. This is the latest generation of Hyundai's A-segment model. It is now 20 mm lower and wider, giving it a sportier stance. In the front, the dynamic new design features iconic round-shaped daytime running lights that are enclosed in the white black cascading grille. To keep you and your passengers safe, the i10 offers one of the most comprehensive safety packages in its class, with a number of standard Hyundai SmartSense active safety technologies, like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist and high beam assist. In terms of powertrains, you can choose between two enhanced and efficient petrol engines, a 1-liter 3-cylinder with 67 PS or a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder with 84 PS. Both are available with either a 5-speed manual transmission or the new 5-speed automated manual transmission. The i10 is available with newly designed 15 and 16-inch alloy wheels. And if you like, you can choose between two contrasting roof colors, Phantom Black, as you can see here, or Tomato Red, for even more personalization. In total, you can choose between 23 different color combinations. The side profile includes pronounced fenders and a newly designed C-pillar with the i10 signature. That gives the roof a floating impression. The rear shows an embracing gesture to emphasize the visual width of the i10. The newly designed tail lamps are now also available with an LED signature. With 252 liters of space, the boot of the i10 is one of the largest in the segment. And by folding down the rear seats, you can extend it even further to 1050 liters. Additionally, for easier parking, rear parking sensors and a rear camera are also available. Inside the stylish new cabin of the i10, we took inspiration from the sharp technical graphics of Athletic Gear. The dashboard and door trims feature a new 3D honeycomb pattern, and the circular air vents extend the dashboard further into the door trim, giving it a wider, more spacious feeling. The 8-inch touchscreen is the largest in the segment and includes a range of advanced connectivity features, like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. But also BlueLink telematics and wireless charging for smartphones are available.